Aquarius, welcome to my channel. This is your December 2020 love readings. Now, being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, Aquarius, so keep whatever resonates. This is based on your sun sign and moon sign, so could check the other video as well. So in this spread today, we are going to do recent past, present and future spread, Aquarius, for December 2020, and we'll clarify it. So let's start. Spirits and guides, universe and guides, Aquarius's love energies for December 2020, past, present and future. 3 card spread for Aquarius, past, present and future. Spirits and guides, past, present and future. 3 card spread for Aquarius. Okay. King of Cups. So dealing with the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Wheel of Fortune. So past, King of Cups. In the present, it's Wheel of Fortune and 4 of Pentacles in the future. So in your past, a lot of love for this person. You could be dealing with a Scorpio or a water sign, or could be any other sign. That's what we see here. Very balanced, very nurturing, very caring. They could be elder to you here. That they showed lot of emotions. They were available to you very emotionally at that point of time. In your past, you were very much in love with them. They were very much in love with you, with the King of Cups. Very passionate. This person is that's what I get. Your specific person is or was, that's what I would say here in this relationship. So everything was in with the King of Cups, highly stable relationship in the past. That's what. In the present, there is Wheel of Fortune. So Wheel of Fortune, it seems that you want things to move forward, or you are moving forward. That's what it comes with this. Especially if you're dealing with 4 fixed signs, Aries, Scorpio, Leo and Aquarius here. So it's your energy too here. So either your person wants to take another chance, if they want another chance with you, or you want another chance with them. You are thinking of reaching out to them, or they are thinking of reaching out to you. So a movement, Wheel of Fortune, moving forward is what the energies at present that I'm getting. Anyway, we get to know in the clarification. In the future, 4 of Pentacles is a stuck energy here. Things here you want, or you will be trying to move, but I see things getting stuck here in the future. But let's clarify, so we'll get it, what it actually means. So please clarify, King of Cups. Why is the King of Cups here in Aquarius' December 2020 reading? Spirits and guides, tarot, please help. Why is the King of Cups here in the past energy of Aquarius? Okay, so let's see. Okay, so 3 of Swords with the Hanged Man. So it shows here some of either you or your person is holding on their emotions in the past, like held on their emotions. For that reason there was a heartbreak. There were somebody was holding on, detached, cold in the past. So there is this 3 of Swords, a heartbreak, and it's Hangman card, lot of thinking, lot of thoughts going about it, that's what I get here. So basically it could also mean someone else being other than 2 of you. Not only communication was the issue here, there were issue with the third party, or a love triangle situation also coming here, which brought a disappointment or a breakup kind of situation here. And just one person was just waiting and watching, and the other person was trying to control emotions with the King of Cups here. Although there was very turbulent times, but maybe you were not showing off this, Aquarius, but we are really going through a very difficult phase in your past too here with this Three of Swords. Maybe you got to know about this third party situation, but it's just like you still balancing yourself, trying to figure out things with the Hangman in the past here. Yeah, that's what I get. So let's see in the present. Definitely a breakup or a heartbreak has happened, but emotionally you have in control of the situations right now. You have balanced yourself from that with lot of thinking, with a lot of sacrifices also done from your side. The present, why is the Wheel of Fortune here? Please clarify, why is the Wheel of Fortune here? 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 Why is the Aquarius, December 2020? Okay, so Seven of Swords with the King of Swords. So it seems that there was some, in the present, there's still some lies, deceit, Seven of Swords, cheating, playing, energy. Of course, in the past also third party situation. So Seven of Swords, maybe you are feeling betrayed, or they are feeling betrayed. The one person is feeling betrayed here. Being stabbed at the back. There is cheating with the King of Swords. Definitely, there is communication you want to with this. Now I get it with this Wheel of Fortune. You want a communication to figure out things, why this cheating was done, why is this betrayal was done to you, or vice versa. So King of Swords, open communication, heart out talk. You want to just give a piece of your mind and also try to find out things. Here you are acting logical, you are acting you are using your head and not your heart, but you want to communicate with your person and find out the reason, why this Seven of Swords. So you want to take this forward, you want to move forward, you want communication with them, only to find out why did they do this to you. Maybe you are in a blocked communication now, or communication not happening with the person here. That's what I get. Of course, there were lies, secrets, deceits here. They may be a player energy, playboy, playgirl types. That's what I get here in your present. But still, it also has one more aspect, that intuitively, although you know that your person is a player and they have deceived you, but still you would be wanting a second chance, or you are hoping that things will change, they will change for the better, and things will get positive sooner. That's kind of a hope also. This is for some of you here. This is for some of you here. You still hope. Some of you are trying to find out the truth, and some of you want a second chance, or and hoping things will improve between you and them. Now let's see, why is the Four of Pentacles in future? Why is the Four of Pentacles in future? Aquarius, love. Why is the Four of Pentacles in future energies? Reason. Why is the near future? December 2020. So King of Pentacles with the Fool. So your person still, why saw this stuck is that either your person is too busy with their work, career, money situation, their growth. So this is a stuck situation, and for some of you, your person is highly immature, or highly immature, childish, kiddish kind of behavior, no responsibility, do not know how to be responsible towards a relationship. They want to enjoy life, they want to be adventurous. That's what I get here. But also with this, it seems that there is a portion, for some of you it might be a leap of faith, taking a communication could come, a second chance could come for some of you from the stuck energies. For few of you, I see movement towards coming back together. That's what I would say here. Communication, yes, coming, some message coming for some of you here, or taking a leap of faith. you know, either they will reach out to you or you could reach out to them, and that's what I get here. So two energies here. So one is like your person is really not love is taken a backseat for them, and you know, career, money, business, especially if you're dealing with the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And with the Fool card, you know, there could be a second chance, a message or a communication coming for some of you in December. So let's see what could be the likely outcome of Aquarius's relationship here. What could be the likely outcome of Aquarius's relationship here? Ten of Pentacles in reverse with the King of Wands. So some of you might, not go with this player energy anymore, because 10 of you don't see stability with them, you don't see long-term, commitment with them. So you might just give up on this relationship and move away. This is for some of you here, 10 of Pentacles, and for some of you it's 4 of Wands, Page of Pentacles with the... Okay, so for some of you, I do see coming back together, for the better, because you and this person is in a high codependent, a codependent, very obsessive relationship, very high attraction. So some of you are definitely coming together here. So this is it for Aquarius. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.